Fast weight loss. Certain foods can magically melt off pounds, and that train of thought has been around for a long time. While exercise and a variety of healthy foods will help you lose weight, there are foods that burn calories and suppress appetite. Listed below are a variety of foods that will help speed up your metabolism and therefore burn fat. Foods such as raw spinach contain bulk. Therefore, the space they leave in your stomach, partly due to their high water content, leaves less room for pastries and ice cream. They are also packed with iron, folate, calcium and vitamins A, B, C and D that help you lose weight. Grapes fruits help you lose weight fast. They're not magic, but they are powerful fat fighters because of their fiber content. Also, without added sugar, a grapefruit has fewer calories than an orange of the same weight. Apples keep doctors away and fat. Eating several apples a day is a great way to lose weight. Hard fruits like apples take time to chew and fill you up. You burn more calories by chewing and digesting celery. Celery contains vitamins E and C. This is one such diet regimen that also helps you lose weight and should be on everyone's plate. Protein-rich legumes like black beans, chickpeas, lentils are not only low in fat and rich in soluble fiber, they digest slowly and keep blood sugar levels stable. Will not feel like eating for a while. Calcium-rich foods and drinks such as low-fat milk can boost metabolism. It has been found that women and girls who regularly consume dairy products lose weight easily and have less body fat than those who do not. Eating too much omega-3 and fatty fish such as mackerel can prevent overeating. The protein mixed with the fat in fish is also known to curb your cravings. You can eat all the strawberries you want and never gain a pound. Strawberries, peaches, plums, and grapes come with cancer-fighting carotenoids and appetite-reducing fiber. Eating such fruits daily will help you lose weight fast. Above are some examples of fat-burning foods. Disciplining yourself to eat a proper diet and the right exercise program will help you reach your thought weight in no time. If you think you are overweight, and you want to lose weight fast, then product link given in description, please find from there and buy it. Please like our video and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon and share our videos to your overweight friend, relatives and neighbor. Thanks for watching.